Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2019 Wildwood X-Lite from Forest River, made right here in Oregon. This is a model 241 QBXL. It's got a queen bed in the front, rear bath. Some of the features on this, of course, the updated new colors with the darker brown, tan in the middle. We've got the power awning with the LED light strip. We've also have T6 aluminum on the front. This will never delaminate like fiberglass does. Locking storage compartments with magnetic fasteners. Lots of room to keep your camping gear high and dry. And if you have a Zamp solar panel, you can plug it in right here, point it at the sun, and you are off grid. We've got strong arm jacks, those yellow bars. When you put your jacks down, tighten those bars up, nothing moves this trailer. It is so solid. Speaking of solid, got the solid step. They're solid too. Chrome wheels, newer big windows. You can see our outside speakers, updated graphic. Fold down rack. These are great. I mean, if you want to bring the bicycles along or the raft, the kayak, now you can. Down the side here, see we've got our dump valves over here, outside shower, city water hookup, and the same compartment as we had on the other side. Power hitch jack and diamond shield to protect the front end. Let's take a look at the inside. Here's the model 241 QBXL. Couple steps in, and here we are. Now, you've seen this floor plan in other trailers, I'm sure. Fleetwood had it years ago, but it just works. I mean, you've got a sofa here that makes into a bed, but it's great if you have more than two people in the trailer. Two, maybe some kids, can sit at the dinette to make it four, but if you have some people over here, it's just better flow for people coming in and out. And of course, can't beat a queen walk around bed. Nightstands on both sides, plug-ins, USB plug-in, storage overhead, as well as wardrobes on the side. There's a privacy curtain. You got a nice array of cabinetry here for your pantry storage, that kind of thing. There's some glass cabinet doors. It looks like a marble countertop, but it's not. It's a composite. It's lightweight. You don't have to worry about cracking it, and it's a nice bright color. Speaking of color, not the dingy old dark of the 2000s. You know, it's refreshing to see these bright colors come in. The new stoves obviously got the little blue dials, but 3-burner stove, very mounts securely when it's closed. The rubber in there just holds it in place, so when you're going down the road, it's not going to bounce all over. Microwave over the top. Dometic refrigerator freezer. Our audio receiver over here. Stereo speakers throughout. Air conditioning on the roof, of course. This makes into a bed, that makes a bed, and you got a queen bed. It's a lot of sleeping. Oh, little bonus. Put your shoes in there. Save you some room when you walk in. There's also storage underneath the booths on both sides. And in the back, we have a rear bath, which gives us quite a bit of room back here. We have the shower stall with the skylight above, foot flush toilet, sink and vanity mirrors, double vanity. There's a light switch. Here we go. Boom. And room for supplies and maybe even a little bit of linen down here. So it's a 2019. Your chance to save a great travel trailer at Gibbs RV 241 QBXL. See us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com, Coos Bay.